Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see how to create separate component in React. First of all, this is our app component. I will remove this entire code and I will use RFC, that is React Functional Component. Now I am trying to create a separate component that is header.js. Make sure to keep first letter capital. Now create React Functional Component. Then write some text here. Now I am trying to import header component into our main file, that is app component. Simply write less than header and press enter. It will generate the import command and then simply close the tag. We should not write closing tag separately. The header element should be self-closing. Meanwhile, let's start the server using the command npm start. Now it will take some time to start the development server. Meanwhile, let's open the local host 3000. But it's not ready yet. So I will write some code in our header file. I am writing UL tag and then some li elements. Home, about, contact, services and pricing. And also if you try to write the styles using style tag, it won't work. So we need to create a separate CSS file. I am giving the name as header.css. UL, flower brackets, padding 0, margin 0. Background color sky blue. Li display inline block so that all the elements should be in the same line. And then, padding 10 pixel, margin 5 pixel, and also I want to give the border 2 pixel solid. Now we have to import that CSS file into our header component. You can also write styles here by creating a style object. But we'll see it in the next video. Development server is not ready yet. One more thing, you don't need to keep the CSS file name as header.css. You can give any other name. Whatever name you give, you should import that file into header component. And also you can use ID and class as well. Suppose I am giving ID menu, then, in our CSS file, I will write hash menu. If you want to write class, then you should write it as a class name. We cannot use class attribute. I am giving class name as navigation, and in our CSS file I write .navigation. So finally, our development server is ready, and here is the output. We have created the header component. Similarly, let's create footer.js. In this file, I will create a React functional component. And I am simply writing a footer tag with the content, copyrights. Now we need to include the footer component in our app.js. In between header and footer, I will write some dummy content inside a paragraph tag. Finally, here is the output. That's it in this video. Thanks for watching.